Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode on WhatsApp Android. A dark theme helps you save battery energy, but also makes an app much easier on the eye, especially in the evening. As WhatsApp is one of the most popular communication apps out there, any new feature is very welcome. Recently, the app has introduced the ability to control who can add you to group. A dark theme had been very long overdue, though, and it's great to finally have it available. Of course, you will have to be on the latest version of the Android app in order to use it. As the culture of work from home with no time restrictions and virtual conversation and meetings based on WhatsApp become all the more prominent, dark mode feature is quite beneficial option available with the users. Enabling the dark theme really couldn't be easier. In the main WhatsApp screen, tap the menu button or the three dots. In the menu that shows up, tap Settings as seen below. Now, tap Chats. This is also where you can select a background wallpaper for your WhatsApp chats. Then, in the Display section, you will come across the theme option. Tap it. And we're almost done. The last step is to choose whether you want to use a light theme, a dark theme, or system default. You've probably reached this point because what you want is to use the new dark theme. However, you might already know that Android 10 has a system-wide dark theme option. This option will automatically change the theme to a dark when there is one available. This is exactly what system defaults means in the case. Therefore, it might be easier to go for this option. If you like to alternate between a light and a dark atmosphere on your smartphones, depending on the mood, time of day, or other circumstances, doing so will allow you to change them all at once in much quicker fashion. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.